Hey everyone, so today I am doing another LiveGlam KissMe Club swatch and unbox video. I haven't done lip swatches in a little while and my lips are feeling reasonably moisturized today, so it's a good time to do it, right? And also the holiday edition, like there's some really special deals that LiveGlam asked me to share with you guys, so this video is sponsored by LiveGlam, but all opinions are my own as always. And if you have not yet signed up to LiveGlam, I just want to put this right out there before I even start the swatches because this is such an amazing deal. If you have not signed up yet, now is the time because they currently have 50% off your first month, which means your first month is going to be under $10. And just putting it out there, if you guys use my code, which I will link down below, I'll put a link and the code and everything so you have all of the information for when you're checking out, you will get 2 free lipsticks. What? Which means you are getting 5 lipsticks for under $10 for your first month. I'm sorry, but that's just the most amazing deal. I love these liquid lipsticks. Honestly, I think they are so good. They are always beautiful colors. The formula is amazing. The packaging is amazing and they are so dang cheap. Really quickly, if you've never seen one of my LiveGlam unboxing and swatch videos, I just want to give you a little bit of information about the service. It is a service I love. I get it myself and I just love getting the colors every month. So if you haven't picked that up yet, it is a monthly subscription service for liquid lipsticks and it is usually $19.99 per month, which is really affordable because you get 3 different colors every single month. In my opinion, I just think that's a really good deal. Also, every single month that you get your 3 colors, they are always different. You never get the same 3 colors, so it's a really good way to kind of expand your makeup collection. However, if you do come across some colors and you think, don't like them, those are not going to suit me, I'm not interested, you can skip a month or you can trade out those colors you don't want for something new and you can cancel it anytime. So if you're not happy with the service, if you don't like it, you can cancel, but honestly, I don't think you're going to cancel because I really like the service and I think you guys will too. I know this sounds so like advertising, but I just honestly, like, I just think this is amazing. And I've seen heaps of comments on my last videos of you guys loving it too, so I hope you guys continue to love it. I hope you guys are loving the colors lately. Let me know what you think of them down below. Also, another great thing about this service is that shipping is free for the United States, or if you live internationally like I do, it's only $3.99 shipping, US dollars. But I mean, that's unheard of. It's so affordable. So even with the shipping, the lipsticks are still so cheap. Anyway, let's move on to the swatches, and if you do think this sounds like your cup of tea and you think you would enjoy this service, make sure you sign up for the holiday deal to get 2 free lipsticks and to get 50% off, which makes it so dirt cheap. Like I just don't get it. It's so cheap. And just quickly, by the way, I'm not making any money off of my discount code. It's just so you guys can get an even better deal. So here's how the little lipsticks come in a super cute little sleeve. Oh, these colors are right up my alley. These are so on trend. And the packaging is limited edition for the holidays and it's so pretty. Okay, so this is what the packaging normally looks like, which is so stunning. Rose gold. By the way, these are also cruelty-free, which is amazing. And made in the USA. So yeah, this is the limited edition sparkly silver packaging. So cute. Let me wipe off this lip color I'm currently wearing. By the way, tutorial coming very soon for this entire look. It's my video I did where I bought all the Sephora like highest rated makeup and then tested it on my face to see if I agree with the reviews. It'll be up soon. Okay, so I'll show you quickly a close-up of the 3 colors you get. These are so beautiful. I feel like they'll suit so many different skin tones as well. They're very wearable mauvey tones, which are very on trend and I feel like are gonna look really pretty with the makeup I'm wearing. They look kind of similar on the tube, but I'm sure they won't on the lips, so let's try them out. Okay, I'm gonna start with Venice. Let's have a look. You can see how pigmented they are when I put them on. This is so pretty. I am so happy with this color. This is definitely right up my alley if you guys know what kind of colors I like. It does dry down completely matte. This color is just very wearable. It looks perfect with this eye makeup. Also, the smell of these, so delicious. I just straight up think these are awesome. So there is the first shade. Honestly, this color is like legit. Now it's completely matte. Like, look how beautiful. Next up we have Madrid. Okay, let's put on Madrid. Yes. The formula of these is almost like a, I don't know, like a moussey matte formula. It's not like a straight up mousse or anything, but it's a very creamy formula. That's better. That's a better way to put it. So that is Madrid. It's a very beautiful deeper mauve, and I feel like this will suit a lot more skin tones than the previous shade. Obviously if you have a deeper skin tone than me, this will look beautiful, especially as like more of a nude as well. I love it, the rosy undertones to this color as well. It's so nice. And here's how it looks once it dries down to matte. I love it. I can already tell I'm gonna love like all of these shades because mauve is like my favorite right now, and this is just so beautiful. I can tell this is the kind of color that Hamish likes on me as well. He loves colors like this and then like oranges. It is very pretty, by the way. I don't know what's happening with my hair today. It's just a mess, so I've just like, I don't know, it is not cooperating. Okay, next shade, so that's Madrid. This one's called Naples. So Naples is a really deep, oh my god, this is giving me feels. This color is so rich, like that's the only way to describe it. It's just such a rich, like deep mauve brown, I don't even know, it's just so rich. This gives me like hot chocolate feels, like it just is so homely and comfy looking, but it's got that kind of vampy effect to it because it is so deep in my skin tone. Of course if you have a darker skin tone or a medium skin tone, it's gonna look different on you, and I feel like it'll look amazing. Okay, the lighting is changing, but yeah, this gives me like hot chocolate feels. It's like a hot chocolate mauve color. It's definitely not a pure brown, it's got that kind of like purplish undertone to it, but it's giving me hot chocolate feels. I love it. Once again, this is Naples. So as you could definitely see, they do all look super different on the lips. These might be some of my favorite shades yet. I feel like I say that every time, but seriously, I love mauve. I live for mauve, and these are just so beautiful. I feel like I'll get a lot of wear out of every single one of them. And then like I said, if you sign up with my code this month, you'll get 2 free lipsticks instead of just 1 like normal when you sign up, taking your total to 5 lipsticks for 10 bucks. Seriously, such a good deal. Can't get over it. So the bonus lipsticks will be available for you to choose from at checkout if you use my code. They will be from previous collections, and it completely depends on their availability. So just get in quick. I'm sure the faster you get in, the more options you'll have. I have a couple of shades here that I'm just going to swatch for you. These are both from previous months, so you could get these ones, or there'll be heaps of others to choose from as well. So I'm going to swatch for you this color here, which is called a Hotty Toddy. I love this one so much. It is one of my favorites. My eyelash like literally almost came off when I sneezed. That's so weird. So that's Hotty Toddy. It's a very beautiful terracotta brown color. You guys know I love the word terracotta. I love terracotta colors, like these very warm browns. And as you can tell, compared to this month, like it's very orange compared to like being more pinky purple. So yeah, that's definitely one of my favorites. And then another one of my favorites is this shade here, which is called Cosmo. You will die. This is exactly the type of color I was talking about that Hamish loves me in. These like vibrant, like orangey colors. This one's more of an orangey red, but this undertone. Okay, that's like a terrible application, but can we appreciate that color? It is so stunning. I love it with this eye makeup too. Perfect for summer. But yeah, anyway, there's like an example of some of the other colors. Or you guys can look up my previous Kiss Me Club swatch videos if you want as well. All I'm saying is you're gonna get 2 free lipsticks. So take advantage. If you have not signed up yet and you've been on the fence, it's a good time to do it. And if you're not interested, that's completely fine too. I hope you guys enjoyed the video regardless. I will put the link to sign up down below for those of you who are interested. Once again, I am not making any money off you signing up with my code. It's just important if you guys do want to get early access to this sale that you use my code, because not every single influencer code has early access. So yeah, take advantage. Hopefully you guys can get in there and get the best colors before they're sold out. Thank you all so much for tuning in and watching till the end. Please thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. Thumbs up and comments and everything like that really do help me reach a wider audience with my videos, especially since the algorithm changed with YouTube and they decided to restrict, you know, how your videos are seen. So I would really appreciate it if you would leave a comment of some kind, a thumbs up, let me know what your favorite color was that I showed today, or whatever you like. I really love reading your comments anyway, so I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, if you think you like the look of my channel, and I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye.